Chapter 10. Sai Baba mode of life, his sleeping board, his stay in Sridi, his teaching, his humility, the easier path. Remember him, Sai Baba, always with love, for he was engrossed in doing good to all, always bided himself. To remember him so only to solve the riddle of life and death. This is the best and easiest way of sadhanas, as involves in no expenditure, little excretion here brings great rewards. So as long your sense are sound, we should minute by minute practice in sadhana. All gods are illusory. Guru is the only God. If we believe in Sadguru, holy faith, he can change our fortune for the better. If we say him nicely, we'd get rid of summer. We not to study philosophy like Nayanar Msa. If we make him our himself, we can easily cross over the sea of all our pains and sorrows. As we trust himself in crossing rivers and seas, so we have trust to Sadgurus in meeting over the ocean worldly wisdom. The Sadgurus look to the intense feeling and devotion of his devotees, endows into knowledge and the eternal bliss. In this last chapter, Baba, minister and devotees experience other subjects are dealt with. Let the readers now hear where how Baba lived, how he slept, how he thought, etc. Baba wonderful bedstead. Let us first see where how Baba slept. Mr. Nana Dangli bought Sai Baba wooden plank about 4 cubic in length and only span in the breadth. For sleeping upon, instead of keeping the plank on the floor and then sleeping on it, Baba tied it like a swing to the rafters of the masjid with old shirts and racks and commenced to sleep upon it. The racks were so thin, so that the problem how could able to be a support plank itself, let alone the weight of the Babas, but somehow or other Baba Shir Leela, the one outer rook sustained the plank with the weight of Baba on it, the one of 4 corners of plank, the lightens earthen lamp at one each corner made them burning whole lit. It was a sight of gods to see Baba sitting or sleeping on this plank. It was wonder to all how Baba got up and got down the plank. Out of curiosity, many carefully observed the processing of mounting dismounting, but none said. As crowds began to swell to direct the Baba under their feet, one day broke the plank into pieces, threw it away. Baba had all eight siddhis, powers at his command. He never practiced nor caught for them. They came to him naturally as a result of his perfection. Second manifestation of a Brahman. Though Sai Baba looked like a man 3 cubics and half in length, he still dwelt with the hearts of in all. Inwardly he was unartistic indifferently, but outwardly he longed for public welfare, inwardly most disinterested. He looked outward full of his desire for the sake of his devotees. Inwardly about peace of he looked outwardly restless, inwardly he had a state of Brahman, outwardly he acted like a devil, inwardly he had a state of Brahman, outwardly he acted like a devil. He loved Aditya, Union and Monsam. Outward he got intensely with the world. Sometimes he looked around all the factions, all times he threw stones at them. Sometimes he scolded them, while at times he embraced with them, calm, composed, tolerant, well balanced. He always obeyed, was engaged in the self and well disposed to his bhaktas. He was always sat on the asan and never travelled. His bandhu was small thick, he was always carried his hand. His was calm. He never cared for your wealth, fame, living in the begging. Such a life he led. He always uttered Allah Malik, God as a real owner. Entire and broken as holy love Bhaktas. He was a minor stone house of self-knowledge full form of divineness, such as divine form of Sai Baba, boundless, endless, and unconditional. One principle which involves the whole universe, incarnate Sai Baba. The really missionaries, fortunate people got treasure trove in their hands, while those not knowing the real worth of Sai Baba or take to be man, mere human, were engaged miserably. It stays in steady and the probability of birth date. None knew no parents' exact date of Sai Baba, but it can actually written by his stay in study. Baba came to study when he was young, the lad of 16, stayed for 3 years. Then all of a sudden he disappeared for some time. For after he appeared in the Nazin state in the Akroma and soon came to study the marriage party of Chandin Patel. When he was 20 years old, since he stayed in Srinadi continuous for the period of 60 years, after Baba took his Mahasamadhi in 1918 from Vivek stage of Yabha, approximately 1838 AD. Baba Mission and Advice. Saint Ramdas flourished in 17th century for his great extent mission of protecting cows and Brahmins against the Yavans. But within 2 centuries after a split between two complete Hindus and Muslims war ended, and Sai Baba came to the bridge of the Gulf, he constantly advised all to affect Rama and Rahim were the same, but there was not slightest difference between them. Then why should the devotees and quarrel among themselves? For you ignorant folk children join hands, bringing communities together, act and synthesis will give in the object of national unity. It is not good to dispute targets, so don't argue, don't allow. Always consider your interest welfare. The Lord will protect you. Yoga sacrifice means not only meaning to attain the God. If you do not succeed this by any means, when in your birth, if any does not evil unto, does not retire. If you can do anything, do something good unto other. This short way to Baba advised all. This was done in good materials and spiritual matters. Sai Baba's Sadguru. There are also gurus and gurus. There are many cults are called gurus who are about to from house to house with symbols in venas in their hand and make them show spirituality. They blow mantras into ears and the disciple extract money from them. They profess to teach piety religious disciples but themselves inferior in religious. Sai Baba never thought of making at least a spoke. Body conscious he had none, but he had a great love of disciples. There were two kinds of gurus, yet New York fixed and as an unappointed general. The later advised of develop the good qualities in us, purify our hearts, as a path salvation, but contact with former disciples of quality and establish us. Unity making us realize thus the various gurus imparting various kinds of knowledge, but he was who fixed our nature and carries us beyond the oceans of world existence in the Sadguru. Sai Baba was a Sadguru, his greatness and grief. If anybody went to his darshana, he without being asked would give every detail of his past, present, of his future. He saw divinity of all beings, friends, foes well like him, determinants were equally balanced. He obliged the evil borders. He was the sum prosperous, there was no doubt he ever touched him. Though he possessed the human body, he was not at least the body of horse. Though he looked embodied, he was really disembodied, free in life. Blessed are the people of Shirdi who worship Sai and Dargad while eating, drinking, working in the backyards and the fish, doing the various sorts of work. They always remembered Sai and sang his glory. They knew no other god except Sai, what to speak, what to love of the modern of Shirdi. They were quite ignorant but pure, inspired in constant songs, rural language. Letters are learning they had one still on listening poetry language. It is not intelligence but the love that inspires real purity, such as real purity management of true love, and this can be seen appreciated by intelligence. Collection of those folk is a desirable Baba willing to some fortune, Vignan publishing either in Sai Leela magazine separately in the book form. Baba Humilities. Lord Bhagavan is said to have six qualities: fame, wealth, non-attachment, knowledge, grandeur, and generosity. Baba has he has incarnated in the flesh for sake of bhaktas, wonderful as his grace kindness. He drew the devotees to him, or else he would have for the sake of bhaktas. Baba spoke such as a goddess speech dare not utter. He is a specimen. Baba spoke very human as follows: Slave of slaves, I am your debtor. I am satisfied with your darshan. It is a great favor to say I saw your feet. I am insect your extract. I consider myself blessed thereby. Humanity in this. If anybody would think publishing this press release on his eye, we begin his pardon, on his wing, repeat Baba's name. Though Baba seemed to totally enjoy sense of he had not flesh flavor consciously enjoying. Though he ate, he had a taste of though he was saw never felt at any instant. Regarding this person, he has a perfectness. Hanuman, he was not attached to anything. He was pure constant resting place of desire, anger, and other feeling. He was distincted, free, perfect, distincting instance, accepted his listener's statement. Nanavali. There was instantly very quiet and fear followed by the name of He looked at Baba Oxen face. He once approached, he has seated his guru and asked him to get as he want to talk with the same Baba. Attend God left the seat which after sitting the reason on got up and asked. Then Baba sat and seat his feet, then went away. Baba did not show the side of his place in the outside. This Nana Lord was also he breathed his last on the 13th day of Baba taking his Mahanidhi. Nanavali. There was instead a quiet, cure fellow by name Nanavali. He took her Baba opened away, so once approached Baba who was seated on his gadi and asked him to get up as he wanted to talk by the same. Baba once got up and left the seat which he occupied. After sitting, Nanavali got up, asked Baba to take his seat. Then Baba sat and filled his seat. Then he went away. Baba did not show his slightest displeasure in being distracted and outside. This Nanavali loved Baba so much. Samadhi. Okay. The easiest path. Hearing the stories of science and being in their company, though Sai Baba acted outwardly like ordinary, his actions showed extraordinary intelligence and skill. Whatever he did was done for good of his devotee. He never prescribed any asanas, regulation of breathing, any rites to his bhakta, nor did not blow or any mantra in the air. He told to leave off all cleverness and always remember Sai Sai. If you did that, he did out of his shackles, moved away the free. Strengths between five strengths, 8 old yogas possible of the Brahmins only. They are of use to other classes. The function of mind is so thick it cannot be remained forever without thinking. If you same sense it will think about if you give it to Guru, it will think about it Guru. You have the heart of it not until greatness and say, this is natural worship. Current translation hearing the stories of science it is not difficult as the sadhanas mentioned above. The stories remove all fear and take you on the spiritual path. So listen to the stories, meditate on them and assimilate them. If it is done, not only Brahmins but woman lower will get pure and holy. You may do or attend any worldly but You will give minds a saw his stories, then is sure to bless to his the Isaiah, but why do not take orders? There is a reason without God grace, we should not get desire to listen stories of science. With God grace, everything smooth and easy here in the stands. Keeping company, the importance of company of science is it removes the body conscious egos and destroys completely China. It takes us to go to hope we consider certainly decrease in our not attachment makes us quiet. And we conclude this chapter meditation of soy form. He the beautiful handsome soy standing on the edge of masjid and distributing Odi to each and every bhakta which is no welfare. He who thinks the world such not and his engrossed in pure bliss therefore him he humble prostrate ourselves. Bow to strive peace to be all.